Adele! Good job! Tatanungin natin ang ating Clash panel. Ano pong masabi niyo kay Adele?
Alam mo, Adele, ang ganda ng quality ng boses mo. Yung, it was so clear to the point that I can see the dream's reflection and found the answer to my question. Na gumawa ka talaga ng sarili mong rendition ng In Your Eyes.
Adele, sabi mo nga, you found your sound after this long-term relationship. I am intrigued. Tell us about that.
Yung world ko ng 15 years in that relationship, parang nag-evolve lang yung world ko sa sound na gustong marinig sa akin ng mga tao. I always get comments na copycat, wala akong originality. But then, yun po kasi talaga yung sound ko. So, nung nag-fail yung mundo ko nung 15 years na yun, na-realize ko, bakit hindi ko yakapin yung binigay sa akin ni Lord na boses?
Mismo.
Yes po.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Sa kwento mo na yon, I think lumabas naman doon sa performance mo, yung sinasabi mong sarili mong sound. Solid naman yung boses mo. And I think I liked that arrangement. And para sa akin, kung ako kakanta nun, malilito ako. Pero you gave it your own interpretation of it. So thank you so much and congrats sa iyong performance tonight.
Thank you po, Miss Lani.
Hey Adele. Adele, you have a beautiful voice. You sang very well tonight as well. Yung softs, yung loud, dynamics, very good. Naintindihan ko yung sinasabi mo na nako-compare ka sa boses ni ganito. Maybe you can try naman parang little nuances na pwede mong i-apply na i-discover mo on your own. So, congratulations for your performance ngayon. Continue believing in yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Clash panel.